2 brain scans, same person, same week, 25 years apart in brain age. One brain was left alone, the other received 8 specific compounds. This video is about the second brain and how to make yours look like it. Welcome to Caveman 2.0. Every claim in this video is sourced from peer-reviewed research. No supplement companies paid for this, no opinions, just the science. Let's go. For 100 years, science taught that adult brains cannot grow new cells. In 1998, Princeton proved them wrong. Your brain grows new neurons every single day. What you eat directly controls how many. This region, the hippocampus, shrinks 1 to 2% every year. Without support, it is where Alzheimer's starts, where memory forms, where new neurons are born. Everything in this video targets this one structure. This is a new neuron being born in an adult brain right now. What you consume today determines how many of these form tonight. The science on this is no longer debated. The question is only, what controls the rate? 40% of your brain's fatty acids is DHA. Your brain is literally built from this. 9 randomized controlled trials, 1,319 people. The evidence is not ambiguous. 1 to 3 grams daily. With food, start here. Most omega-3 never reaches your brain. The blood-brain barrier blocks it. The exception, LPC-bound DHA, transported by a specific brain carrier. Research from 2025 shows this form doubles brain DHA delivery. Form matters more than dose. Most magnesium supplements cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. Magnesium l-threonate can. A 2026 randomized controlled trial, 100 adults, double-blind, showed a 7.5-year improvement in measured cognitive age in 6 weeks, 2,000 milligrams daily. Inside your synapses, magnesium acts as a gatekeeper. It controls whether memories form. Most adults are deficient. Low brain magnesium means your neurons cannot communicate efficiently. L-threonate fixes this at the molecular level. Lion's mane mushroom, it contains 2 compounds that tell your neurons to grow. Harrisinones and adenosine A, both cross the blood-brain barrier. Both stimulate nerve growth factor. University of Queensland, Journal of Neurochemistry, 2023. This is settled science. The human evidence is real. But let me be precise. Results are strongest in older adults. The neurogenesis mechanism in cells is confirmed. Human translation, still being studied. That is not a weakness. That is honest science. Bacopa monnieri, used for 3,000 years, validated by modern clinical trials. 12 weeks of supplementation produced significant improvements in memory accuracy and processing speed, effects that persisted even after stopping. This is the most replicated cognitive herb in the research literature. You know creatine as a muscle supplement. Here is what most people miss. Your brain consumes more creatine per gram than any muscle in your body. Multiple controlled trials confirm creatine improves working memory and processing speed. 3 to 5 grams daily, cheapest compound on this list. Researchers spent 20 years asking, why exercise creates new brain cells? The answer was selenium, specifically selenoprotein P. It doubled hippocampal neurogenesis in the aging brain. You do not need supplements. 1 Brazil nut daily provides your brain's requirement. 65% of adults over 50 are B12 deficient. Low B12 accelerates brain shrinkage, raises homocysteine, neurotoxic, degrades myelin, your neural insulation. The form matters. Methylcobalamin only, not cyanocobalamin. 500 to 1,000 micrograms. This is the most overlooked. Citicoline gives your brain 2 things at once. Choline for neurotransmitter production. Cytidine converts to uridine, builds your neuron cell membranes. 1 compound, 2 repair pathways, 250 to 500 milligrams daily. Strongest evidence for working memory of any single nootropic. Here's the complete evidence picture. Tier 1, strongest, DHA. Magnesium l-threonate, B12. Tier 2, strong, bacopa, creatine, citicoline. Tier 3, emerging, lion's mane, selenium. Important truth, these fill gaps, sleep and exercise, still do more than all of them combined. Here's how to actually implement this. Start with the foundational 3. DHA, magnesium, l-threonate. B12. 4 weeks minimum before adding anything, one compound at a time. Track how you feel, and always consult your doctor first. This is education, not medical advice. The biggest mistake people make is quitting after 2 weeks. Creatine works in days. Magnesium, 2 to 3 weeks. Omega-3, 4 weeks minimum. Bacopa needs 8 to 12 weeks. The compounds with the longest timelines have the most replicated evidence. Patience is the strategy. Before I finish, the most important thing I can tell you, one aerobic exercise session raises BDNF by 200 to 300%. No supplement comes close. 6 hours of sleep nightly equals the cognitive decline of 3 times normal aging. Supplements fill gaps. They do not build foundations. Build the foundation first. The full evidence-based stack costs between $115 and $175 monthly. If that is too much, start with B12 and Brazil nuts. Under $20, covers 2 of the biggest deficiencies. Scale up slowly, consistency over time. Beats any expensive one-time stack. Remember the 2 brains from the beginning. Now you know exactly why they differ. 8 specific compounds, backed by peer-reviewed research, taken consistently, over months, not magic, not marketing, biology. Every claim in this video is sourced from peer-reviewed research. No supplement company funded this, no affiliate links. Links to all studies are in the description. Read them yourself. Verify everything. That is the only standard this channel accepts. Which compound surprised you most? Drop it in the comments, and if you're over 40, get your B12 levels tested. Most doctors do not check it routinely. Most people who need it do not know yet. That single test might be the most important thing you do after watching this. That is a wrap, Caveman Tribe. 8 compounds. Peer-reviewed evidence, no hype, no paid partnerships, just the science, decoded. If this changed how you approach brain health, hit subscribe, hit the bell, every Tuesday and Saturday. We go somewhere equally important. Stay curious, stay primal, look after your brain. It is the only one you get. I am out.